I'm Bob Hoyton, Senior Director of Product Development for HOCL Vision. Today we're going to be talking about making your own hypochlorous acid, also known as HOCL, using the Force of Nature. Each Force of Nature pack comes with an electrolyzing appliance, activator capsules, an EPA-approved dispensing bottle, and our own SeeGreen antimicrobial towels, treated with DuPont's Silvador 930 compound. Force of Nature is also on the EPA's list N of disinfectants for use against SARS-CoV-2, the cause of COVID-19. HOCL proved to be highly compatible with the most common frame materials, as detailed in a study conducted by HOCL Vision utilizing Colts Laboratories. The Force of Nature appliance uses electricity to convert tap water and an activator capsule into an EPA-registered disinfectant that kills 99.9% of germs. And with no toxic fumes, harmful chemicals, or residue, HOCL is one of the most natural cleaners available. Making your own HOCL is simple. First, fill your Force of Nature appliance with tap water to the fill line as indicated. Next, add 1 Force of Nature activator capsule into the solution. Now just press the start button to begin the process. The machine tracks the progress with lights across the bottom of the appliance. Once the light turns green, you have successfully made hypochlorous acid solution. Thank you for watching our video. To view more videos, please visit HOCLvision.com.